Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete Snapchat account permanently. With so many social media platforms now available, it's impossible to keep up with them all. So, if you've stopped using Snapchat and are fed up with the constant notification, it may be time to delete your account. If you're not sure how to delete your Snapchat account, then you're in the right place. We've created this step-by-step guide to help you through the process. Those unsure about deleting Snapchat will be glad to know that you can remove your account within 30 days of deleting it. But if you miss that deadline, all of your saved data and contacts will be deleted. First, open the Snapchat app. These steps apply to the iOS app, for instructions for Android or the web browser, and scroll to the fact section of this guide. Tap your Bitmoji. This will take you to your Snapchat profile. If you don't have a Bitmoji, just tap the icon up here. Then tap the gear icon. This will take you to your account settings. And tap delete account. You may need to scroll down a bit to find this option. And enter your login details and tap login. You can use your username or email to log in at this stage. And then enter your details once more and hit continue to deactivate your Snapchat account. After 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next videos.